Replacing a worn or damaged propeller on your Aquasweep or De-Icer takes just a few minutes. You'll need an 1/8 inch T-handle hex tool, along with a large flathead screwdriver and a hammer. Begin by aligning the set screw located on the side of the propeller with the access hole on the side of the pump housing. Insert the 1/8 inch T-handle hex tool through the access hole and loosen the set screw halfway out. Use a large flathead screwdriver inserted through the access hole and under the propeller, pry up to pop off the propeller. Make sure the rubber seal is still in place on the pump shaft. Align the set screw with the access hole of the pump housing and insert the new propeller. You may need to spin it slightly to seat it onto the gear teeth. Tap lightly with a hammer until it is fully seated. Then tighten with the 1/8 inch T-handle hex tool. Your new propeller is now ready for use.